Why, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that we found a couple days before Lunar New Year at Asian Family Market on 99, or I think it's Aurora by then, and 130th in South Shoreline, North Seattle, whatever you want to call it. This is Yopokki. Kimchi Rapokki. You might ask yourself, what am I doing here? What's going on? I don't understand any of this. I'm here to answer you. So, what you do is, well, the reason you're here is you went on the internet and you found me. And I'm all over the internet, let me tell you. But, yeah, I'm gonna cook this up. But chances are you've watched my show before and you enjoy it thoroughly, as you should. It's the right thing to do and the tasty way to do it. So you add in this is the kimchi powder, as it's called. And we've got a block of noodles. Drop that in too. And then, yeah, we got more. Because this is Yopokki, because this has tteokbokki in it. This is tteokbokki. Now, I don't see, there it is. That is not a food. You don't want to eat that. I mean, you can. It's really, all it's going to do is go right through you. It's kind of funny. These silica gel and desiccant, it's not going to kill you if you eat it. But it's not food, so why would you eat that? I always thought, oh, it's poisonous. It's like, no, they don't put little poisonous packets in with food, because there's too many people that will just be like, oh, it must be a food. All right, now we add 150 mils of water, which I have, yeah, right there. And yeah, that's exactly to the line as it says. And then we put its little hat on off kilter. And to make sure that there are no angry outbursts in our household because the microwave exploded, I'm going to place it on a paper plate. I'm also going to set it to 1,000 watts. Because this is a mega microwave. It's a 1250 watt microwave. I think it's supposed to go for 3.5 minutes. Let me see. Yes. So there we are. So what's going on today? Russians are still blowing up the Ukraine. There's a piece of junk on the stove. Yeah. And so it was set that the indoor mask mandate in Washington State would end on March 21st. And then the governor came out and said, no, we're gonna stop with the masks indoors on March 12th because we're doing so good. So we'll see how that goes. But just the people, it's crazy, man. We have a local group here that has somebody put, hey, they're gonna make it so they don't have to wear masks outdoors at school anymore. It's like, great, you know, whatever. But it just devolved into a, I've been saying all along that you can't get oxygen or moisture. That's how your body heals when you're wearing a mask. And it's like, we'll be able to wear fresh air now. And then the argument is like, well, it's kind of a filter to make your air fresher. So I don't know. It's the stupidest debate. People throwing out crap like, science is just a really good guess. It's just, there's no proof in it and blah, 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 blah. You have to have faith and all this stuff. It's like, I don't know. I just don't get it. I guess I never will. It's the thinky. You got to use your thinker. I don't know. That's not thinking. That's just like, I don't want to do it, so I'm going to say it's a good idea. But whatever. What freaking ever. Enjoy. It's like in that movie, COVID Invasion. Enjoy your COVID, jerk. Yeah, that movie's great. If you can find it, it's either called Lockdown or COVID Invasion. It's like one of the worst fake kind of horror movies I've ever seen. It's pretty good. If you like, it's like, it's so bad, it's like compelling. That's like the kind of stuff I like. And I saw a little thing that came up today that said, what is it? Your drag queen name is your grandmother's first name and the last sweet you ate. So my grandmother's name was Rosemary, and the last candy I ate, the kids really like those Hershey Kisses. So my name is Rosemary Kisses. So pretty weird. Yeah. What else is going on? It was sunny for a minute. Now it's cloudy / I don't know what outside. But weather is occurring all the time around us. Yeah. This will be the fourth, 5th, and 6th reviews I'll be doing this week. Oh, it's done. Oh my. Did it explode? No. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's really hot. I don't want to spill that on myself. I think just picking the lid off is going to be like molten lava. Ah! So, there's that. And now with the music, it's time for our Ukrainian minute on the show. So they're resisting, they're doing a good job, and yeah, pretty crazy business over there. I made a playlist on my phone for when I go out with my little speaker of 80s nuclear war music. And I also put on there some Ukrainian rap and Ukrainian death metal. So gotta stay with the times when it comes to the audio. Should be interesting to listen to today when I go out walking. If I do. I don't know. Yesterday I got soaked head to toe. I don't know if I want to do that again. Because it's like I got home, I was soaked. I had to go out and get my daughter off the bus. And then I had to go get my son in a little bit after that. And I was like, what's the point of getting all dry and stuff if I've got to go put clothes on, get out in the rain, and get wet again? Oh yeah, I can babble for days. If you're the guy who hates my show because I won't shut up, that's just because I don't want to have any dead air. And I also, this is right after I have my influx of caffeine, the most caffeine I have of the day. So there you go. Let's get some more of that out of there. Yes, I'm going to try it. He didn't try it yet. He's already planning. He hasn't eaten it yet. How do we know if we're gonna like it? Hold your freaking face on. Jeez. Better yet, mask up. Put a mask over that noisy face of yours. So here's what tabaki looks like. I hope it came out good. Yummy. It's like beefaroni, except it's chewier. The kimchi in this is quite good too. I remember this was kind of a spendy one. They have like all these weird import ones at that store, but they charge a lot for them. But at least you don't have to buy multi-packs of them. There's the noodle. Mmm. A little salty. A little. Kimchi is definitely heavy on the, what do you call it? Anchovy. Yeah. Which I don't mind. I like anchovy heavy kimchi. A little bit of that. We are done. I really don't have much else that I can add to this currently. Let's see if I can set this up. Oh, 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 Papa Smurf. What's wrong with, what is wrong with, what's her name? Smurfette. She's got a condition. I don't know what it is, but there you go. Watch that. Think about problems like Smurfette problems. All right, the next one we got is this Snapdragon Vietnamese garlic pho. This came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thanks again, man. Honestly, I have a feeling I'm really not gonna like this, but you never know. It's worth a shot. Snapdragon generally doesn't do too well for me, but anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.